Hey y'all, this is Meso here. Welcome to my kitchen today where we're going to be doing something good. I'm going to make a ham and chicken cordon bleu bubble up bake for you. And here are the ingredients that we're going to be using. And you see here I've got a bunch of little stuff. It looks like a lot, but honey, it's going to come together quick and easy. I've got some cheese, chicken, ham, milk, just a whole lot of little stuff. You'll see how we're gonna do it. Here I have some chive and onion cream cheese, and I'm gonna put 4 ounces of this into my bowl. I've got some Swiss and Gruyere shredded cheese, baby. I said Swiss and Gruyere. It is so good. Now, really, in actuality, you can use any cheeses that you want in this, but look, kind of follow my lead, because I wouldn't steer you wrong, honey. This is gonna be so good. Swiss and Gruyere, baby. And here all of this is sort of softened to room temperature. You could even put this into the microwave for about a minute, maybe 45 seconds, and you come back and you mix this around. I probably would have done better to got a wooden spoon, but I'm using a spatula. You see how easy it is to make it happen. Getting my milk in right here, and I'm going to continue to stir. So easy. Easy does it. Here I have a can of Grands. There are 5 biscuits in this can, and I have 2 of them. I'm going to be using them in this recipe. And so here's my second can of biscuits. Yeah, my number 2 can. Yeah, my second runner-up biscuits. This is the second can. Got 5 more biscuits here. You're going to see how I'm just going to take my knife, and I'm just going to cut these things into little strips, and then I'll cut those strips into little cubes, and I'm getting them right down into this mixture of the cream cheese and I had put some milk in there. Don't worry about it though. You go to the description box, click on the link that takes you to my website, and there you're going to get a printable recipe. All you got to do is print it out, have every ingredient on it, and how much, baby. And it is free. It is free. What's better than free? Don't have to pay a dime for it. Just go over there and get this recipe and print it out and make this happen, honey. And while you're over there, look at all those other great recipes. You can print any of them that you want, and they are all free, baby. All printable and free. I love saying that word, free. Ain't it good to get something free? Okay, so I'm on my second can of biscuits now, and I am still cutting them up and just kind of cubing them, and I'm getting them into the mixture. Yeah, I'm gonna just throw them all in there, into this wet stuff. Like I said, this was cream cheese that was very much softened, and some milk, and what else we put in there? Not important. Either you can look at the video again or check out that recipe. Go get that recipe from my website. Okay, so getting these into this bowl. Okay, so now I'm going to put in some chopped up bell pepper, and then some chopped up red and yellow bell peppers. Here I'm putting in parsley, some chopped up parsley, and look at that ham, honey. I'm putting in some cubed up ham. Oh Lord, I don't know what I was thinking. This bowl is too little, so I got a big bowl so I can mix up all this stuff in, all this goodness. I just put in some chicken. I'm putting in some black pepper. I'll be putting in other seasonings, honey. This is going to be, you know what, lately my mind has just been on make it easy, whatever you could do to get something delicious before your family, before your loved ones, honey, before your man, and make it look like you put a lot of sweat and effort into it, honey. Let it be so good. Their lips are smacking. They're like, ooh, wee. But honey, you know inside you didn't do them but take about 30, 45 minutes on this. I love it like that. And they're going to be kissing you and thanking you. Go, honey, you a rock star, mommy. You a rock star, honey. Yeah, that's the way I like it. So I'm going to get, this is a little bit hard to stir. I'm going to get me something else. I don't know what I'm doing today. I'm getting things that are too small. But here I've got my big old spoon now, and I am just able to commence the stirring, honey. And I'm stirring and mixing all this up, making it good. You saw my spices that went in. If you didn't see them all, you don't have to necessarily rewind the video back. Go to my website, click on that link right under the video. Right there that says click this link for a recipe. Go over there and get your recipe, honey. I already printed it out for you. And it's free. It's free. Okay, so now it's time. I think all this is mixed up. I have got a 9 by 13 glass casserole dish here. I'm spraying it with some vegetable oil, and I'm getting all this goodness, honey, this ham and chicken and all this creamy stuff down into the casserole dish. Now remember those biscuits, those little cubes of biscuits, they're right in here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see them or not, but remember we put them in there. But honey, you're gonna know we put them in there when it comes time to taste this bad boy, to serve it and to eat it. Yes, yes, yes. It even smells good right now, but it's gonna be better once it begins to cook. Okay, I want to just top this with a little bit of smoked paprika. And I am also going to put on top of this a little bit of panko breadcrumbs, baby. You can just use, I like the panko, you can use any kind of breadcrumbs that you like. And if you don't want to use breadcrumbs, you really don't have to, but this gives it a crunch. Now, y'all know how I feel about that creamy and that crunch together. I'm getting this into a preheated 350-degree oven. Gonna cook it about 30 to 40 minutes. That time has passed. And looky, Miss Cookie. Look what I just got out of the oven, baby. Oh, so nice. I like mine like this. I like the crunch and I like the creamy. Listen. Yeah. Oh, I live for that. I live for that. I love it. Yeah, and if you don't want yours quite this crunchy, you can just maybe, I cooked mine in a full 40 minutes. You can maybe drop yours back to about 35 minutes. Look at this, y'all. Look what I am taking out of this dish. Can you believe that you just saw me make this and how quick it was to make? Oh, man. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yay, yay. Oh, so wonderful. Imagine calling your husband, calling your man, your kids, your loved one, whoever, to dinner, and this is what you're serving them. Maybe you might want to open a can of corn or make a salad to go with this. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to make a salad. Look at that, y'all. Look at the chicken and look at the, all the creamy goodness. Now I'm going to get some ham. I didn't have any ham on that other fork. Look at the ham, honey. Got me 3 pieces, 3 little chunks of ham. Come on, bring it back up here. Ooh, look, y'all. Look, y'all. Into my mouth. Yeah, come on, into my mouth. It's hot. I probably should have let it cool a little more, but ooh, it's good. Let's get this last little bite. I want y'all to make this. Put it in your rotation. Oh, man. Y'all, thank you. I thank y'all so much for coming by, checking on me. You wanted to see what I was doing today. Now, you knew I would be throwing down. I hope I did not disappoint. Those that are already subscribed to me, thank you. Thank you. If you're not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button and hit the notification bell until you see parentheses. And then you know you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Guys, I want you to share my videos wherever you're active on social media. Leave me some comment and give me a big thumbs up. That's really important to helping me grow my channel. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and I'm on Facebook, and also, of course, YouTube. So I appreciate if you check me out, wherever you see me at. I appreciate you could have spent your time with anybody today, but you chose to spend your time with Meso, honey. And Meso appreciates you. I love you for it, and I thank you for it. Hey, guys, do something for me. Do it for yourself. Love yourself. Love yourself. Spend some time on yourself. Keep a good check on yourself. That way you're better able to love the others in your life and take care of them. And you want to know how to really show somebody that you love them, honey? Give them some of that good old food. Yeah, share your food. Share your love by sharing your food. That's right. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.